Hey there, fellow woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Have you ever looked at a fallen tree on your property and thought about all the beautiful lumber going to waste? Or maybe you've been shocked by the prices of lumber at your local hardware store. What if I told you there's a way to turn those logs into usable boards right where they fall? Today, we're counting down the 7 best chainsaw mills on the market that I've personally tested and reviewed. These portable sawmills can transform the way you approach woodworking projects, so let's dive in. 7. Carmyra Portable Chainsaw Mill. The Carmyra Portable Chainsaw Mill represents an entry point into the world of DIY lumber milling. When I first unpacked this mill, I was impressed by its lightweight design and compact form factor. Weighing in at just under 15 pounds, it's one of the most portable options on our list, making it ideal for those who need to transport their mill to remote locations. Setting up the Carmyra is relatively straightforward, with a universal mounting system designed to fit most chainsaw bars. I found that it clamps securely onto chainsaw bars ranging from 14 to 36 inches, giving you flexibility in the size of logs you can mill. The aluminum construction helps keep the weight down while still providing some rigidity during operation. However, I noticed that the aluminum frame tends to flex slightly when cutting through harder woods, which can affect the precision of your cuts. During my testing, the Carmyra performed adequately on smaller logs up to about 10 inches in diameter. The adjustable guide rails allow you to set your desired board thickness from a ½ inch to 12 inches. I appreciated the clear measurement markings that help ensure consistent cuts. That said, I found myself constantly having to readjust and tighten the clamps as they tended to loosen during operation, especially when dealing with denser woods like oak or maple. One area where the Carmyra falls short is in its stability. When milling larger logs, I experienced noticeable vibration that made it challenging to maintain straight, even cuts. Number 6. VEVOR Chainsaw Mill. Moving up our list, we have the VEVOR Chainsaw Mill, which represents a step up from the Carmyra in terms of build quality and stability. When I first got my hands on this mill, I was immediately impressed by its galvanized steel construction, which gives it a substantial feel compared to aluminum-only models. The mill arrives partially assembled, and I found the included instructions somewhat lacking in detail, which led to some initial confusion during setup. The VEVOR is designed to accommodate chainsaw bars from 14 to 36 inches, making it versatile enough for a wide range of log sizes. The adjustment system allows for cuts between ½ inch and 13 inches thick, giving you plenty of options for different lumber dimensions. I particularly appreciated the clear measurement markings and the locking mechanism that helps maintain your settings throughout the cutting process, though I noticed the locking knobs could be more robust as they showed signs of wear after just a few uses. In my field testing, the VEVOR performed reasonably well on medium-sized logs. The steel frame provides better rigidity than the Carmyra, resulting in straighter cuts and less deflection when working with harder woods. However, I still experienced some issues with vibration when pushing the mill to its limits on larger logs. The guide system, while improved, still requires careful setup and frequent checking to ensure accurate cuts. I found myself spending considerable time making adjustments between cuts to maintain consistency. Number 5. Nejoney 36-inch Portable Chainsaw Mill. The Nejoney 36-inch Portable Chainsaw Mill strikes an impressive balance between affordability and performance. When I unboxed this mill, I was pleasantly surprised by the quality of the materials and construction. The mill features a combination of aircraft-grade aluminum and steel components, giving it a solid feel without excessive weight. Setting up the Nejoney was straightforward thanks to the well-designed clamping system and clear instructions. The mill accommodates chainsaw bars from 14 to 36 inches, and I found that it mounted securely to my Stihl MS391 with minimal fuss. The adjustment system allows for cuts ranging from ½ inch to 13 inches thick, with easy-to-read measurement markings that help ensure consistent results. I particularly appreciated the tool-free adjustment knobs, which made it simple to make changes on the fly without fumbling for wrenches in the field. During my testing, the Nejoney performed admirably on a variety of wood types. I milled several oak and pine logs ranging from 8 to 20 inches in diameter, and the mill maintained good stability throughout the cutting process. The guide system provided consistent cuts with minimal deflection, even when working with harder woods. I was able to produce boards with relatively even thickness and straight edges that required minimal planing afterward. The Nejoney's design includes several thoughtful features that enhance the user experience. The anti-vibration components help reduce fatigue during extended milling sessions, and the reinforced end brackets provide excellent rigidity when cutting through knots and dense areas. 4. HOTYELL Chainsaw Mill. The HOTYELL Chainsaw Mill introduces some innovative features that set it apart from lower-ranked competitors. When I first received this mill, I was immediately impressed by its robust construction and the inclusion of a winch system, a feature typically found only on higher-end models. The mill is constructed from high-quality aluminum and steel components, giving it excellent rigidity while keeping the weight manageable. Setting up the HOTYELL was a breeze thanks to the well-designed mounting system and comprehensive instructions. The mill accommodates chainsaw bars from 14 to 36 inches and features a secure clamping mechanism that remained tight throughout my testing. The adjustment system allows for cuts from a ½ inch to 13 inches thick, with precise measurement markings that ensure consistent results. I found the tool-free adjustment knobs particularly convenient when making changes in the field. What truly distinguishes the HOTYELL is its integrated winch system, which significantly reduces the physical effort required during the milling process. During my testing, I noticed a substantial difference in fatigue levels compared to manually pushing the mill through logs. The winch provides smooth, controlled movement through even the densest hardwoods, resulting in cleaner cuts and less strain on both the operator and the chainsaw. This feature alone makes the HOTYELL worth considering for anyone planning to mill larger quantities of lumber. The mill's performance was impressive across a range of wood types and sizes. I milled several oak, maple, and pine logs ranging from 10 to 24 inches in diameter, and the HOTYELL maintained excellent stability throughout. Number 3. Alaskan MKIV G778 Chainsaw Mill. The Granberg Alaskan MKIV G778 Chainsaw Mill has earned its reputation as a professional-grade tool that delivers exceptional performance. When I first got my hands on this mill, the quality of craftsmanship was immediately apparent. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum and zinc-plated steel, the mill feels incredibly solid while remaining lighter than you might expect given its capabilities. Setting up the Alaskan MKIV was straightforward thanks to the well-designed clamping system that requires no drilling of your chainsaw bar. The mill accommodates bars from 16 to 36 inches, depending on the model you choose, and features a secure mounting mechanism that remained rock solid throughout my testing. The adjustment system allows for cuts from a ½ inch to 13 inches thick, with precise measurement markings that ensure consistent results. I particularly appreciated the CNC machined billet end brackets, which provide superior accuracy and stability compared to the cast brackets found on many competitors. In the field, the Alaskan MKIV performed flawlessly across a wide range of wood types and sizes. I milled several hardwood logs up to 32 inches in diameter, and the mill maintained exceptional stability throughout the cutting process. The guide system provided remarkably consistent cuts with minimal deflection, even when working with dense, knotty sections. The boards produced were impressively uniform in thickness and required minimal finishing work, saving significant time in the overall lumber production process. One of the standout features of the Alaskan MKIV is its versatility. The mill can be easily adjusted to accommodate different log sizes and cutting requirements, making it suitable for everything from small hobby projects to professional timber framing. 2. PORTAMILL PM14. The Norwood PORTAMILL PM14 represents a significant leap forward in chainsaw mill design, blurring the line between portable chainsaw mills and stationary sawmills. When I first assembled this mill, I was impressed by its innovative approach to the milling process. Unlike traditional chainsaw mills that attach directly to the bar, the PM14 features a carriage system where the chainsaw is mounted horizontally, creating a more stable cutting platform. The PM14 setup process is more involved than simpler mills, but the included instructions are clear and comprehensive. Once assembled, the mill can handle logs up to 14 inches in diameter and produce boards up to 8 inches wide. The track system can accommodate logs up to 10 feet in length with the optional track extension. I found the adjustable blade depth feature particularly useful, allowing for precise control over board thickness. The quick-release chainsaw mount made it easy to remove the saw when needed, which is a thoughtful touch for maintenance and transport. During my field testing, the PM14 delivered exceptional performance. The carriage system provides remarkable stability, resulting in consistently straight and even cuts that rival those of much more expensive bandsaw mills. I was able to produce furniture-grade lumber from various hardwoods with minimal effort. The log rests and adjustable log dogs securely hold the material in place, eliminating the shifting and movement that can plague simpler mill designs. Despite its robust construction, the PM14 remains portable enough to transport to different locations in the back of a pickup truck. What truly sets the PM14 apart is its efficiency. The carriage design significantly reduces the physical effort required compared to traditional chainsaw mills, allowing for longer milling sessions with less fatigue. 1. F2 Chainsaw Mill. The Logosol F2 Chainsaw Mill stands at the pinnacle of portable sawmill design, representing the perfect marriage of precision engineering, user-friendly operation, and professional-grade results. When I first assembled this Swedish-made marvel, I was struck by the thoughtfulness evident in every aspect of its design. The F2 is constructed from strong, anodized aluminum that provides exceptional rigidity while remaining remarkably lightweight and corrosion-resistant. Setting up the F2 is a revelation compared to other mills I've tested. The frame consists of modular 3.25-inch sections that can be easily transported in a standard car and assembled in minutes. Despite its portable nature, the F2 can handle logs up to 20 inches in diameter and support weights up to an impressive 2,200 pounds. The auto-locking system with clear scales ensures precise, repeatable cuts with accuracy approaching that of much larger bandsaw mills. I found that I could set up the entire mill in under 10 minutes, even when working alone in remote locations. In operation, the F2 delivers performance that redefines what's possible with a chainsaw mill. The saw carriage slides perfectly on the guide rail, with options for both crank handle and bar nose steering. During my testing, I milled a variety of hardwoods and softwoods, and the F2 produced boards with remarkable consistency and surface quality. Final thought. So there you have it, my comprehensive review of the 7 best chainsaw mills on the market today. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking to mill occasional lumber for small projects, or a professional seeking a portable solution for on-site milling, there's an option here to suit your needs and budget. Remember, the best mill for you depends on your specific requirements, the volume of lumber you plan to produce, and the level of precision you need. Happy milling, and I'll see you in the next video.